This is Aputure Light Dome Mini 2, very small. Even though it's small, it doesn't feel like it's light, pretty heavy. Look at those metal parts. So for the setup, this one is super easy. Open this up, you see this all metal. So you just lift it up and lock in. You just do it one by one. After a job is done, you want to fold it, super simple and fun. So you see those little buttons, you just push the button, just one by one. Actually, it's pretty fun. That's it. And the only thing is that the fabric, you see here, it cannot fully covered. So for setup, it's super easy. You see that it's super small and it is very good to use in the congested environment. Like you got a small studio or there's a lot of people. So let's put this on. So you got a bow and mount. And it comes with the very tiny reflector. So it got two colors, one is silver, one is gold, so it depends on what you like to facing the light. And they got wall chrome too. Alright, and then they got this. I'm gonna turn on the light to see what's going on inside. Yeah, just like this. And then let's put this one in. So for this one is super small. You can see that it's barely just cover me. And you can see that it's super bright. For the softness, I think it's still not as good as the bigger ones. But what is good is for a small area. Like in my small studio, I can put another lights somewhere that I can still fit in my space. So definitely it's not a very soft box, but because super small, it got a ton of utility and usage. I like the quality, the build, and also it comes with the grid. So if you need to shape the lights, you can put it on. Overall, the quality is very good. So if you're looking for a small, soft box, I think this is #1 choice. Hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.